Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize your Brave browser interface. So first of all, you have to go over here. You can see my cursor where it is on customize. Now click on it and you can off this show sponsored images, and you can select any theme you want, any gradients you want, or you can upload any desired wallpaper from your computer. Now off this. You can also off this show Brave stats. You can see here top side. So you can also off this. Clock. There's no need of clock. You can off this. On cards, hide cards like dog and Brave rewards. You can also off this, the search bar. Now you can choose your color according to that. Now your Brave browser tab is clear and simple. Now the second thing you have to do is go on settings and go on appearance and go on Brave colors and select dark. Now you can see your Brave tab is minimal and clean. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.